We will learn to solve some more equation. When you will get that 3y minus 4 equals to 2y plus 2. That means the equal to sign and you have to solve it. Both sides you have some expression. So, first what we will do, okay, remind student, this sign is called implies that, and this sign only used in your equation. In other case, we will only use equals to sign. Okay. So now we will write all the term related to y in our left side. So 3y and here is 2y. 2y, there is no sign in front of it. So we will write minus 2y. Because here it is plus and it's come here. So it became minus. And this minus 4 will turn into plus 4. 3y minus 2y, you will get only y. And 2 plus 4, you will get 6. And 6 is your answer. Now we will go for another one. See, 7r minus 12. In bracket, we will write r plus 2 minus 2r minus 39. So here also we have some r left side, we had some r right side. So first we will give the sign implies that. Then 7r minus. This 12 will multiply with r. 12 into r, it is 12r. And minus 12 into 2, that became minus 24. Minus 2r and minus 39. Now we will bring all the term related to r in our left side and all the number in our right side. So 7r minus 12r and this minus 2r became plus 2r. And minus 39, this minus 24 will become plus 24. Now we have to calculate 7r plus 2r will become 9r. 9r minus 12r. And from 39 minus 39 you have to subtract 24. So it's 5 and 1. The larger one is negative, so it is negative. Now 9r minus 12r will become minus 3r. And minus 15. So the value of r will be, this 3 minus 3 is multiplied here. So we will divide it in right side. Minus minus will be cancelled out. 3 is cancelled out with 5. And r will be 5. And this is our answer. Now some more equation. Here it is 3m by 4. This plus 3 will come to the opposite side and it became minus 3. Now we got 3m by 4 equals to 18 minus 3 became 15 for us. Now m will become, this 4 will get multiplied with 15 and this 3 will be divided because 4 was divided with m. That's why it got multiplied and 3 was multiplied with m. So it is divided. Now 3 and 15 will be cancelled out with 5 and 5 4s are 20. So we got our answer as 20. Now we will go for some more question. Now for this question, a by 2, a by 4 and a by 8. So now what we will do, we will LCM all of them and we will do as we do fraction in algebra. You have already learned it in your previous chapter. So 2, 4, 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. When you will again do it with 2, you will get 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Now 2 divided with 8 is 4, 4a plus 4 divided with 8 became 2a and 8 divided by 8 will get a equals to 21. Now add them. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7a by 8 will be equals to 21. Now 8 is divided, so 8 will be multiplied. And 7 is multiplied, so 7 will be divided. Now 7 3s are 21 and we will get a as 3 8s are 24. And this 24 is our answer. So now we will do another one. Here we have got 7 and 2. We will LCM both of them and we will get 14. Now 7 2s are 14, so 2 will be multiplied with this expression 2a plus 4. And 2 7s are 14, so 7 will be multiplied with a minus 3 whole expression. Now it is 3. Now 14 will be there. 2 2s are 4a and 2 4s are 8. 7 into a, 7a. 7 into 3, 21. The sign is minus for 3. That's why we will put minus here. 4 is divided here. So in this line we will multiply it. So it became 4a plus 7a. We will got 11a. And plus 8 minus 21. You will get minus 13. And 3 into 14. 11a will become 3, 14, 42 and minus 13 will become plus 13 here. Now, for a, we will divide it with 11 and we will add both of them. So, we got 55. So, a will be 5 here. Now, we will go for our next question. It is 5t. And 6% of 10t, that means we have to write 6 into 100 into 10t. That will be 176 by 5. You have already done your chapter in percentage. So now, this 0 and 0 will be cancelled out and we will get 6t by 10 equals to 176 by 5. Now 5t, there is nothing but 1. So 1 into 10, 1 and 10, LCM 10. 10 ones are 10 and 10 fives are 50. So 50t minus 6t will be equal to 176 by 5. In the next line, we will calculate it and 44t by 10 will be 176 by 5. Now we will find the value of t, for which what we will do, we will multiply 10 with this 176 number and 5 is already in the denominator. With that we will multiply this 44 and then we will calculate. 5 2s are 10 and 44 4s are 176 and you will get your answer as 4 into 2, 8.